Alright guys, here we are back with another video on the OnePlus Nord N200. This is my case of choice that I purchased. I bought this for $19.99 at Otterbox.com directly. T-Mobile actually has it on sale for $23, and I just had a $10 code, which is why I went with Otterbox. So its normal price is $29.99 plus taxes and shipping if you have some kind of shipping cost. I chose the free shipping, and that was the worst mistake I could have made. I guess in the end, it took like almost a week and a half for this to get here because I chose the free shipping, but it only cost 20 bucks with the $10 off. So I was willing to wait. I didn't know that it would get shipped out fast and sit right around the corner from me for like 7 days straight. Super frustrating. But nonetheless, it is here. So obviously you have the drop protection, and I'll be able to put a screen protector on here later if I want to, because these don't have a screen protector. This is the Commuter Lite. Again, T-Mobile had this on sale about a week and a half ago when I first purchased, for about $23, and I could have gotten it like in a couple days with T-Mobile, but you know, $3 saved is $3 saved. So this is the older style case with the two-piece, looks like. Yep. You got this hard shell right here, and then you got this tough thick plastic, but this is really nice, man. No flaps on here anymore either, I noticed. And all the cutouts and everything are going to line up just great on here. So you do have this kind of, I was wondering about this right here for the fingerprint reader and power button, but it's different. It's completely open on that area, and I don't think it'll be vulnerable to anything once it gets on the device, because it's going to be a nice tight fit. So let's put the device in, and we will have some drop protection, and I will have a nice screen protector on here at one point or another. But here's the case right here, the inner lining there. And we can just kind of slide this on, and it just kind of snaps snug in place. This is it. Now this will add just a little bit of grip around the sides, but not very much. It's a matte feel on this part, but this hard plastic is kind of slippery. But you do have lots of grip on the front lip. And speaking of the lip, you have a huge lip on this thing, going all the way around. Now the fingerprint reader, again, nice and open. I really like that they have this big dip right here for the fingerprint reader and the power button. I think that's really nice. I really didn't know what to expect with this case, but I'm glad I bought this one instead of any other cases, because there's some cases out there, but I just knew that I would keep this. I'm keeping this device, so I figured, you know what, I'll also just go ahead and go all in and get me a nice case for it. That's beneficial to me. I like Otterboxes, and this is a thinner Otterbox. It's not too bulky at all. It'll live in this case more than likely. But here's the ports on the bottom here. And if I didn't say it, I think I said it, but this phone doesn't have wireless charging. So, but if it did, it would work with this case because of the plastic more than likely. So you got your speaker out right there. A nice big cutout right there for the charging port. And then you've got another microphone cutout hole, and then a huge opening for the headphone jack right there, because you'll be able to use different headphones, different sizes in there if you want to. So again, the camera cutout on the back now is recessed. It's protected, so when you lay it down this way, it is good to go. And that is it, man. Let's check the feedback on the volume rocker. Oh, nice. See, the volume rocker is nice and smooth because this is the plastic portion on here. So that's really good, man. I'm really liking it so far. So I'll give you a follow-up later on this case, because again, this is the only case I'm purchasing for this device. And if you see any others, like I said, they'll probably be review cases. But other than that, I like it a lot, man. I think it's going to be a hit for me. I like it a lot. As a matter of fact, I really like this. I didn't know how I was going to feel about this being open like this, but I think it's good. It works great. So there it is, man. The Otterbox Commuter Lite. I bought this for $19.99 direct from Otterbox.com. Take care.